Your parents may have told you that carrots would give you good night vision in an attempt to get you to eat your vegetables as a kid. But SWNS reports scientists may have actually uncovered the key to seeing the infrared spectrum with our naked eyes. Right now, mice and humans are only able to see light that exists between a pretty narrow wavelength, between 400 and 700 nanometers. So they identified, quote, upconversion nanoparticles that emit green light when hit with infrared light, and they attached those to the photoreceptors in the eyes of mice using a protein adhesive. And after a series of experiments testing a control group against a group with the night vision upconversion nanoparticle injections, they found definitively that the mice had in fact been given the ability to see light on a near infrared wavelength. And after 10 weeks, the nanoparticles were still there, without any noticeable side effects. We have used nanoparticles to confer a real superpower on ordinary mice, the ability to see near-infrared light. Lead researcher Professor Gang Han said about the experiment, going on to say that someday the same method could be used to give humans the uncanny ability to see the world on an entirely new spectrum.